Okay, we're going to go through the procedure on how to field upgrade the program in the touchscreen via USB flash drive. First thing we've got to do is get to configuration mode. And we do that by accessing the maintenance menu, going into the maintenance section. Now on any blank part of the screen, put and hold your finger for about 7 or 8 seconds. Press down and it will force up a configuration menu. Okay, now in here, use the arrow keys to get up and over to the config portion. When you're there, hit the enter key. Alright, it'll take a second, then it'll move into configuration mode. Okay, now we're here. Now, go to the right arrow key, hold your finger on the right arrow key for 2 to 3 seconds. Now it brings up our memory location screen. Okay? Well, first thing we want to do is get to the back of the screen. We're going to take the information contained on this flash drive, provided with an extension cable, and we're going to load it into the screen. So the first thing we've got to do is disconnect the Ethernet cable just to get access to it so we can fit our hands in. Alright, take the flash drive or the extension cable, fit it into the USB port right next to where the Ethernet was. So if you look at it, it's right next to the screw. Okay, the USB drive is now active and we're going to be loading this program onto the screen. Latest Bag Machine program. Alright. Go back around to the front of the machine. Now on this screen, what we need to do is we need to tell the system to access the USB, so we press the USB symbol. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to tell it to load from USB to the flash drive. So once we hit that, the system's now taking all the data off the flash drive and loading it onto the screen. Okay, once it reads that it's successful, what we need to do is reset the screen back to using the flash drive to run the program from. This will then allow us to disconnect the USB drive. Hit the check mark, it'll pop you back to configuration. Now from here, let's force a restart by holding our finger on the enter key. Give it a couple of seconds to load up. Okay, let's go verify and make sure we have the right program. Initially, the program may show up with no data located on the main screen. It's because it still needs to establish communication with the new program. Go to maintenance. Now go to the main maintenance screen and verify that we have the correct program number. It should be revision 4_8B as in boy. If it's on that screen, then we're good. We've got the program loaded. Just bounce back out. The last thing we have to do is go to the rear of the machine again, the rear of the screen. Remove the USB drive. And reconnect the Ethernet. Don't forget to reconnect the Ethernet. So now we're reconnected. We've got the USB disconnected. And that's it. Next part of the process is to upgrade the servo drives.